Hi everyone, welcome to me and Myworld YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. Hi, today we are going to learn how to mention the different currency symbols in Excel. So I need use to maintain INR, USD and Singapore dollar, GBP. So there is different country symbols we can able to use it. So for that, what is the shortcuts we can see. So first we have to select the home ribbon, and the same way we have to choose the number formats. Here you can select the more number of formats bottom. So in that you can select the currency. So in the currency, see the decimals places. So after that number, the two decimals you can able to require, you can place it. For standard document we don't require the two decimals, then make it 0. So here if you select the symbol in that currency, you can again you have to select the symbol. See, we have the INR symbol, Armenian symbol, and British coins and Russians and Australian dollars and INR, USD. So what are the symbols? There is a different country symbols we have, so you can able to use that by selecting this one. So I am selecting this INR. So you make it. So I'm selecting the INR. So see, for this I'm making INR. So for one symbol, for that you can able to select the whole column and making the same for symbol. Current, you have to go to currency and you can able to select the symbol. See, total column is changed. So for the instead of INR I need to use USD. So again I'm going to the currency. See, I'm selecting the USD. So the total data numbers in USD. So you see here these two decimals is visible now. So for the selecting the two decimals, we can able to again select this symbol, and this two decimals should be, now we can see the two decimals will be 0. So like this you can able to use different currency symbols and in Excel.